So here's a handy little tip if you're coding with ChatGPT. You may notice that ChatGPT 4 in particular is quite slow to give you replies. Here's a way to speed up its replies a lot. What you need to do is you need to ask it to stop commenting your code. Also, I like to get it to always send back the full bit of code that I'm working on so I can copy and paste the entire bit and not have like these little commented out parts and try to figure out where the parts are supposed to go back. That's kind of aside to the point. So what I typically do is I say something like this. From now on, in this chat, if we were working on a code block, you will always show the entire code block back to me with modifications. You'll also never comment code. Now, telling ChatGPT not to comment code dramatically increases how quickly it will spit out your code. So I've noticed it probably takes 3, 4, 5 times longer to spit out code with comments compared to just spitting out your code block with your modifications that you've asked for. I think ChatGPT has to think a lot more when it needs to comment each of the code blocks, but it actually processes the code itself rather quickly. Also, it's a lot cleaner, a lot easier just to get these blocks back, copy and paste them into place and see if their changes are correct. So I say something like, please set this rule for the entire chat going forward. Always refer back to this rule unless I ask you to explicitly explain something, or rather explain something specifically, right? So yeah, anyway, this is the exact same bit of code. This probably took, I don't know, 3 or 4 times longer to generate compared to this, which just gets spit back immediately. It'll also help you to work with much larger blocks of code. ChatGPT will start to choke on very large amounts of CSS or something like that, like a lot of it. But if you ask it to not comment the code, it has a lot easier time processing your output than compared to like something that's been commented to. Okay, hope this tip is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.